Hi everyone, it's Bonnie at Good Earth Spa. Today I am making an organic soap. Actually, it's not 100% organic, but it'll be 90-something% organic. And these are my oils. I have sunflower, palm, and olive virgin pressed. So these are all organic oils. And since it's summertime and it's so warm, my palm is actually liquid. So I don't have to do any heating on this, but I am super fatting with a mixture of hemp seed butter and sunflower oil. Let's see, the sunflower is organic and the hemp butter is not. So, you know, I do the best I can. And I'm also going to be super fatting with organic cream. So, here is the hemp butter with the organic sunflower, which I'm going to melt down. And how I do that is I basically make my own double boiler with these Pyrex measuring cups. I have a big one with water and a little one with oils, and I just pop it right in the microwave. So let me get that done. Also, I wanted to show you what I'm working with today. If you missed my herbs haul video, go check that out, and you can see all the cool herbs I got at Pike Place Market. This is a blonde sandalwood. I'm going to be coloring, and it'll be a little bit scented from this too, the sandalwood. So I have red and blonde, and I'm going to try to do a funnel type pour. I'm not going to actually use a funnel, but I'm going to do a funnel type pour. So here's the herbs I'm going to be using, and they just smell great, like earthy, wonderful sandalwood. I'm also going to be using Indian sandalwood fragrance and sandalwood essential oil. So it's all Indian sandalwood too. It's going to smell great. I just love it. If you love earthy, you're just going to love this. So here we go. At light trace, I'm going to mix in my super fatting ingredients and the cream, which is still in the refrigerator. And then I'm going to divide them into 2 tubs for coloring. And then I'll pour them in a funnel type way in here. And I hope that they make a lot of color. Otherwise, they won't contrast well in a funnel. But either way, the soap is going to smell great. I don't quite know what it's going to look like because this is kind of new. I haven't worked with these sandalwood powders. But so basically, this would be dehydrated sandalwood ground up into a fine powder. So I'm putting so much real sandalwood in here, and real sandalwood essential oil too. So I'm really excited. Okay, everything that is measured out now, and I decided to do 2 ounces of organic cream instead of 1. Look at this. Can you see? Oh wait, am I not in the camera? There you go. This is just wonderful, great cow's cream, organic. So this feels great in the soap. And I'm ready to get started. Just about. Here's the hemp and sunflower, but the hemp is melted now. So, like I said, I don't need to heat my oils up. My lye solution will be warm enough just to go in there and get it started. I do need spoons for that sandalwood though before I start mixing. There we go, spoons for my sandalwood. That way everything is all set up and I don't have to run around crazy, so I recommend you do prep before you make soap. That's how I do it. So here's my lye solution. Okay. Now it's time to make soap. I'm going to cut out some of this loud stirring and I'll bring you back for trace. Okay, I'm at a light trace now, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and add this cream. And this is mostly Indian sandalwood with sandalwood essential oil and also a little bit of regular sandalwood. So, and, oh yes, the hemp and sunflower. I love how sunflower makes my skin feel really, really soft. And I love how hemp sinks in so readily and easily into the skin. really is a great moisturizing. So I think that the two combined should make a great feeling soap. Okay, I'm gonna blend this up and then come back for the separation and the color. Okay, I have everything mixed in. The scent, it smells great. I love sandalwood so much. Okay. Okay, I'm going to get my little pails, my little buckets, and give them each an even, try to make it even, half and half. I want the lines to the back, that way it's easier for me to tell what I'm doing. Wow, I couldn't have done that more perfect. Okay. Good, good, good. Alright, that's just about half. I'm not gonna mess with it. Okay, so let's see, camera check. Alright. So one side gets blonde and one side gets red. And they each have a slightly different scent too, but they're both Indian sandalwood. So let's try this, just one spoonful, and see what the color looks like. So this is 100% natural coloring I'm doing here, and it smells great. What a bonus. Try and stir out the bubbles too. I like that color, it really does look blonde. Alright, let's get the red one. Let's blend it up. And this one's turning out like a magenta. This color really goes a long way. And these are great in contrast with each other too. Now they may be a little bit scrubby, we're gonna see. I'll find out when it's all said and done. I'm definitely keeping a few bars of these because sandalwood's my favorite. Alright, it looks like I'm about ready to pour. Yeah, it's had a nice medium thin trace. I can see the lines sitting on top of the soap. It's perfect for pouring. Okay. Now let's see if I can get my loaf molds in. Just a tad more red, just a little bit. So I know you're only going to really be able to see the middle. I'm trying to just pour right in the middle. That's why I said I'm not using a funnel, but it's a funnel type pour, so you'll see what I'm talking about. If it were a funnel, I would just be pouring it in the middle, and it would all go through the funnel at the exact same place. But that involves me setting up a funnel, and for 3 loaves, I'd have to do them all separately or one at a time, or use one big mold, and I like using the little ones. So you don't need a funnel to do a funnel pour. No way. And I just love this because it totally breaks all the rules, because natural organic soap can be beautiful too. Okay, I have a little extra. I'm going to go grab another mold. I love sandalwood, so this is appropriate. Okay, let me get these out of here. So you'll kind of get to see the ones that weren't in the camera shot as I pull them out. Let's see, where's my towel? Always have to have a towel handy. Okay, there we go. That's it. Can't wait to see these cut. Hi everyone, this is Bonnie and I'm back in the morning, the following morning, and I've unmolded my sandalwood soaps. I could hardly sleep. I was so excited. This is really my favorite. So here's the little hearts. I'm probably going to keep these hearts for myself and maybe 1 or 2 bars. So I didn't know I was going to have that much extra. And that looks like it might be enough for me, but I'm so excited about this. I really, really, really love sandalwood. You can see with the funnel pour how it looks on the sides, and this was an oven processed batch, so there's just a tiny bit of bubbling on this side, but when we cut it open it's going to look really cool. So I have to pick one to remain a loaf. So sandalwood for skin has just so many awesome skin benefits. It's used for skin softening, it's used for acne, it's used for rashes, it's used for hives, it's used for skin softening. I mean, I just can't even remember every single use that there is. There's so many benefits. Eczema and psoriasis. So many people can benefit from a sandalwood soap, but it has to be real sandalwood. There are a lot of soaps out there that only contain sandalwood fragrance and they don't have the skin benefits that I need to move this, that a real sandalwood soap would have. So I have to get right in there to cut it, so I'm sorry if my head keeps going on the way here. So there's the inside of this one. That looks pretty cool. Definitely enough contrast for a funnel pour for sure. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of cut them. I need to hold them closer to me because I have to have my head right over my eyeballs to look down. And the thing that's awesome about funnel pour soaps is they all look cool. Look at that. And I can't wait to try this. I actually had when I unmolded it, had just a, you know, like a little bit like this much that I washed my hands with, and it was really nice. I really liked it. I really liked the feel of it, and I didn't feel any scrubbies, but I think that it might be scrubby when I get into a full bar. Okay, so here's this one. So these look really cool. That was the end. Okay. I'm going to, I think I'm going to cut 12 bars and have 1/2 loaf and 1 full loaf, and then the end pieces, or whichever bars are the lowest weight, so I get a higher average weight per bar, I'll cut into samples. So this is my funnel pour with no funnel. The no funnel pour. I'm making up something new. That's okay, that wouldn't be the first time. This was the end, just a stripe. Okay, let's cut this one in half. It's gotten so hard so fast I have to throw my whole body weight into it. Okay, so this one's going to be sold as a half loaf over here, and the other side is going to be cut into bars. That's a pretty good size half loaf too. It should weigh more than a pound. It feels moisturizing just cutting and touching it too. I can definitely feel the hemp super fatting in there, and well, when I was washing my hands with it, definitely the cream. I could feel it was so creamy. I think I need to wipe this plate though, so that I get cleaner cuts. And it's so quiet because nobody's awake except for me. I really woke up early for this one. I was so excited. Nothing like a good old bar of sandalwood. Sandalwood soap. These were oven processed bars, so they should be ready much quicker than my usual cold process bars. And that's the end, the stripe. Okay, these are my soaps. Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you the lather of the sandalwood, and also I wanted to let you know, because I wasn't sure, it is not an exfoliating soap. So this is great. It's great news because I think that more people like regular soaps than like exfoliating soaps, although there is definitely a group of people who love exfoliating soaps. But I'm really happy that the powder is not scrubby. You can feel it a little bit, but it's not an exfoliating soap. So I just wanted to show you the lather. I've been using this on my face. The sandalwood has a very cooling sensation, which I absolutely love. So I love to wash my face with it, and it just feels amazing. The hemp butter that is in here and the cream for super fatting just make it feel really creamy and smooth, and I want to take a bath in it. So this is a great soap for face and anywhere, face and body. And look at this. This is just from the sandalwood soap lathering, so it definitely has a great lather also. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoy my sandalwood soap making and soap. Bye.